Cybersecurity is a weapon for achieving sustainability. Is your company's sustainability at risk due to cybersecurity threats? Are you aware of the dramatic role of cybersecurity in shaping a sustainable future? Cybersecurity can be wielded in a variety of ways. On the one hand, ignorance can lead to huge losses you might not have anticipated. On the other hand, boosting and emphasizing cybersecurity can open more doors to success than you could have imagined. There was a similar scenario with one of our clients, who faced an array of issues when it came to cybersecurity. We'll be outlining what problems they were facing, how it impacted them, and how through our years of expertise in the field, Millennium helped avoid significant losses, especially loss to their reputation. When neglected, cybersecurity can lead to the leakage of sensitive data belonging to the end customer. Therefore, focusing on cybersecurity is essential to maintain a company's integrity and customer trust. What cybersecurity challenges impacted a client's sustainability goals? Are you facing similar issues? The client faced several challenges related to cybersecurity that could impact its sustainability goals. Lack of awareness. The client must be fully aware of the risks posed by cybersecurity threats to its sustainability efforts. This lack of awareness made it difficult for the client to take adequate measures to protect its systems and data from cyber threats. The complexity of technology. The company's IT infrastructure has become increasingly complex over the years, making it difficult to secure. This complexity made it challenging for the client to stay ahead of cyber threats and maintain its sustainability efforts. Lack of resources. As a medium-sized company, the client needed more resources to invest in sophisticated cybersecurity measures. This lack of investment made it more vulnerable to cyber threats, which could impact its sustainability goals. Need for collaboration. The client's IT department needed to collaborate effectively with other departments in the company, making it difficult to achieve its sustainability goals and secure the company's systems and data. How did Millennium address these challenges? Were we able to make the business sustainable through cybersecurity? Millennium provided the following solutions to help the client address its cybersecurity challenges. Risk assessment. We conducted a risk assessment to identify potential vulnerabilities in the client's IT infrastructure. This allowed the client better understand the risks and prioritize its cybersecurity efforts. Cybersecurity training. We provided cybersecurity training to the client's employees to increase their awareness of the potential risks posed by cyber threats. This training helped the client to better protect its systems and data from cyber threats. Cybersecurity solutions. We provided the client with cybersecurity solutions tailored to its specific needs and budget. These solutions included firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and data encryption. Collaboration and coordination. We worked with the client's IT department and other departments to improve cooperation and coordination on cybersecurity issues. This helped the client achieve its sustainability goals and secure its systems and data. How our cybersecurity solutions led to sustainable success. After implementing the solutions, the client saw significant improvements in cybersecurity posture and sustainability. The client became more aware of potential cybersecurity risks and was better equipped to protect its systems and data from cyber threats. The client's IT infrastructure was more secure, and its employees were better trained in cybersecurity. The ultimate guide to achieving sustainable cybersecurity, insights from a real-life case study. Millennium was able to help our client address its cybersecurity challenges and secure its sustainability efforts. By providing tailored solutions, cybersecurity training, and improving collaboration and coordination, we were able to help the client achieve its sustainability goals and protect its systems and data from cyber threats. As a result, the client could continue their business and provide valuable services to others, helping make the world a better place. Protect your sustainability goals with effective cybersecurity measures. Contact us now to learn how Millennium's comprehensive solutions can help safeguard your organization's operations, data, and reputation in the face of growing cyber threats.